Bitcoin trades below $30,000, Ether trades above $2,000. Attractive yields drive millions into DeFi liquidity manager Gamma, TVL more than doubles. China's state-affiliated banks onboarding crypto companies in Hong Kong. US crypto exchange Bittrex faces potential action from SEC. Shaq finally served in FTX lawsuit after months of running, say lawyers. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Private virtual currencies were trading mixed with Bitcoin hovering below $30,000 while Ether, which underwent a Shapela upgrade last week, saw the second largest VDA trading near $2,100 mark. Manoj Dhara joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today. Thank you, Manoj, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines.
Yeah, so if we talk about IC15 index of cryptocurrency, was trading lower by 1% at 39,800 points. In a recent news, Cathie Woods, who is the ARK Investment CEO, said that the Bitcoin's resilience throughout the banking crisis has been the most remarkable of all the indicators. Bitcoin and Ethereum are now acting as the risk-off assets are like gold for investors amid macroeconomic uncertainty, she claimed. A new bill by the US House Financial Services Committee proposed to give non-banking stablecoin issuers access to the central bank money, which is actually a big news, and market participants are waiting for its actions as well. The bill also proposed heavy fines and prison terms for stablecoin issuers who fail to register, potentially impacting the broader cryptocurrency market by increasing regulations and scrutiny. Regulations is a big move, and everyone is welcoming this move as well. Meanwhile, the Lido stake Ethereum has increased by around 1 lakh since the Shapela upgrade. As a result, the total Lido staking has reached 6 million, increasing its value at around $12.6 billion. That's what analysts have highlighted. If we talk about the overall cryptocurrency market cap, was at around $1.27 trillion mark, which has shown a fall off or a drop of 0.5% in the last 24 hours. However, the total crypto market volume increased by 21% to stand at $41 billion. And then yet another interesting and a big development, I must say. Keep an eye on this news that Gary Gensler, the chairman of Securities and Exchange Commission, will give his first ever testimony before the Housing Financial Services Committee. The hearing will be focused on Gensler's rule-making and approach towards the crypto assets. He added that the committee will have a sizable general oversight over the SEC and would take a serious approach in terms of laying down a regulatory shepherd for the digital assets and stock futures. If we talk about the overall US stock futures, were trading flat, with investors preparing for more quarterly earnings reports going forward. S&P 500 was flat to positive at 0.1% higher, while Nasdaq 100 futures nudged lower by 0.1%. Dow Jones Industrial Average ticked up a mere 13 points or less than 0.1%. Bitcoin was seen trading at $29,810, down 1.5%. So if we talk about the journey of Bitcoin, it held steady at $30,000 mark after peaking at $31,005 earlier, marking its highest levels in June 2022. This prompted investors to lock in their gains, and analysts believe that profit taking has been witnessed in this counter since the time Shapela upgrade was completed. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.1%, trading at $22,086. Now, the second largest crypto surged to a new 11-month high of $2,141, buoyed by the investor optimism following the successful implementation of the Shanghai upgrade, as the total withdrawal surpasses $1 million since the time the upgrade has come into effect. However, Ethereum has surged 134% from its June 2022 lows, analysts have said. If we talk about the other altcoins, on my left is Binance BNB, was trading higher by 2% at $341. Solana Sol was up by 3.7% and was trading at $25. Next on the list was Avalanche AVAX, trading at $20.4, higher by 6.5%. Keep an eye on this news. The temporary check proposals to deploy the decentralized exchange Aave on ZK Sync era mainnet has passed with overwhelming support from the Aave community. And more than 99% of the Aave token holders casting ballots have voted in favor of launching the third version of the lending and borrowing protocol on the zero-knowledge Ethereum virtual machine, and it's a positive sign, and the market is giving a thumbs up to that. Next on the list is Polygon Matic, was trading up by 1% at $1.2. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 5% at $0.094. Shiba Inu was next on the list, trading higher by 1%. However, Cardano's ADA token was lower by 0.3% at $0.44. Ripple's XRP token was at $0.51, down by 1%. Polkadot was down by 0.4% to trade at $6.6.
The total value logged on decentralized finance protocol Gamma has doubled in the past month as investors attempt to secure generous staking yields. Gamma is described as a semi-automated liquidity manager that allows users to provide liquidity at the most lucrative pools across 6 different blockchains. The protocol also features staking of its native token Gamma, which is currently producing a variable yield of 7.04% according to the Gamma website. The token has performed well since the turn of the year, rising from as low as $0.07 to its current trading price of $0.33. Gamma has a market cap of $19.3 million and 2% market depth of $38,209 according to CoinGecko. Market depth is a metric used to evaluate liquidity. It demonstrates how much capital is required to move an asset by a certain percentage based on the order book. Hong Kong's push to become a crypto hub has opened an opportunity for not just crypto companies but many state-affiliated banks in China as well. The Chinese banks have shown interest in building partnerships and onboarding regulated crypto companies in Hong Kong despite a blanket ban on crypto-related activities in mainland China. The Hong Kong arm of Bank of Communications, a state-owned major bank in China, is collaborating with several cryptocurrency businesses registered in the city and is in talks to open accounts for more regulated businesses, according to a report published in Wall Street Journal. Apart from the Bank of Communications ZA Bank, Hong Kong's largest virtual bank, controlled by Chinese internet insurer Zhong'an Online PNC Insurance Company, will together act as a settlement bank for the crypto companies. The banks will together facilitate the depositing and withdrawal of fiat currencies. In addition to providing account services to cryptocurrency businesses, these banks will serve as settlement bank to enable token deposit at authorized exchanges to be withdrawn in Hong Kong dollars, Chinese yuan, and US dollars. The United States-based cryptocurrency exchange Bittrex is reportedly facing potential action from the US securities regulator despite preparing to shut down local operations. The Enforcement Division of the US Securities and Exchange Commission is inclined to recommend the agency sue Bittrex over alleged violations related to investor protection. The enforcement unit informed Bittrex about potential action from the SEC in March. Bittrex's General Counsel David Maria reportedly said. By that time, the Seattle-based crypto firm had already started the process of winding down its US operations, the attorney stated. In the notice of potential enforcement action known as the Wells Notice, the SEC wrote that Bittrex had violated laws by doing business as an exchange, broker-dealer, and clearinghouse without registering with the regulator. According to Bittrex's general counsel, the company discussed with the SEC in late 2022 how to register its operation. The crypto firm found that there was no opportunity to follow the rules of the SEC without essentially ceasing all of its revenue-producing activities in the country. Attorney Maria stressed that Bittrex's inability to comply with the SEC rules was due to the agency not providing clear regulations for crypto in the first place. Shaquille O'Neal has finally been served papers in a lawsuit over his role in promoting FTX after lawyers accused the former basketball star of hiding from them. Alongside fellow high-profile endorsers such as Tom Brady and Larry David, O'Neal was named as a defendant in the suit filed last November in a Florida federal district court. It alleges that the celebrities actively participated in FTX's offer and sale of unregistered securities. Earlier this month, lawyers at the Moskowitz law firm, which is representing investor Edwin Garrison in the class action, said they had made multiple attempts to serve O'Neill with papers in person over the past few months but had been unsuccessful. Now let's go to Vishakha Thakur to get an update on the 3 buzzing stocks of the day.
Leading cryptocurrency exchange SetoX has announced that the Shiba Inu governance token BONE would soon be supported on its platform. The choice was made when SetoX held a Twitter poll asking its followers which project they would like the exchange to feature next. The choices included Vita Wonk, Shiba Inu's BONE, Floki CEO and Vita Inu. 12,792 people participated in the poll and BONE received 41.9% of them, making him the obvious winner. Floki CEO received 26.6% of the vote, followed by Vita Inu with 28.1%. Just 3.3% of the total votes polled went to Bonk. As Ethereum prepares for its highly anticipated launch, all eyes are on BONE Shiba Swap, the native gas token for the network, which has been generating significant attention from cryptocurrency exchanges. BONE was trading at $1.08, down 0.20% in the last 24 hours, with the market capitalization of $2 million. Recently disclosed Cardano network data present an intriguing picture of the platform's development. The research and development team behind Cardano, Input Output Global, just released its weekly development report for the week ending April 14. This update covered a wide range of topics including governance, smart contracts, spatial scaling, wallets and services, and core technology. Teams in the core technology division concentrated on networking, consensus, and node enhancements. Together with these tasks, they worked on benchmarking, profiling, and the new tracing system and incorporating a Plutus script library into their toolchain. The development report also included an infographic highlighting various Cardano statistics, such as 124 projects launched on Cardano, 8.11 million native tokens created, 7738 Plutus scripts, 1225 projects building on Cardano, and 64.6 million transactions processed on the network. ADA was trading at $0.444, down 1.92% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $15 billion. After carefully examining the tokenomics and behavior of the asset, Binance, the largest exchange in the world, has chosen to remove Shiba Inu from the innovation zone. The action shows that nearly 2 years after listing SHIB, the exchange now regards it as a regular asset deserving of full, undiluted support. According to a formal declaration made today, Binance intends to remove SHIB and 3 other assets from the innovation zone on April 18. The decision was taken in light of recent token reviews, according to the exchange. Innovation zone assets are regarded as being quite risky and volatile. When an asset is deemed worthy of full and unadulterated support, Binance only removes it from the innovation zone. Shiba Inu was trading 2.14% down with a market capitalization of $6 billion.
Thank you, Vishakha. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more such updates, like, share, and subscribe to 3.0 TV, and have a great day.